Oh, did I hear it right? Actually, I wasn't able to stand up right away. Where is the trip?
We've been to the US.
In the US. Congratulations.
You as well.
We made it to the President's Club.
Did. How do you feel right now?
I was so shocked.
Yeah.
I was so shocked.
Yeah.
How about you?
So proud.
You feel proud?
Yeah. Excited.
Excited. So the Andre is from Chicago and he's one of the top performers.
Oh, I'm with one of them too.
I see you in the US again for the luxury trip.
Oh yeah.
Let's message each other on IG. Alright. Hi Mark.
Dave, you did an amazing job.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much.
I'm so happy.
Minsuk, congratulations. We'll be together. Yeah. Grabe yung araw na to. Surreal. Favorite word, surreal. We made it to the President's Club. So these are the top performers globally ng Nielsen. So wow. Grabe. Grabe, feeling ko ito yung culmination ng hirap natin